We primarily design, build, and remodel upscale type projects. So that would be, an upscale kitchen, an addition, luxury porches, basements. Those are our primary bread and butter. That's what we do, is we remodel homes. However, we did build a beautiful custom home last year that we really enjoyed doing. It was a challenge. I think with my background now in year 15, seeing a lot of design problems, giving homeowners that customization that they're looking for, that one-on-one, where they are the architect about everything, I think that helps us become really good custom home builders. So if the opportunity were to present itself, we would absolutely jump on that opportunity and build another custom home or more. But primarily remodeling, that's our lane that we mostly stay in. Where did our name come from? Great question. Well, when I decided to start my own business, like many people, you want it to be connected to your name or your family somehow. And so, being that my last name is Minor Renovations just did not have that, power that just didn't inspire much. But Noble is my middle name, and I thought, hey, Noble Renovation has, of being of noble character, that sort of ties into our core values that we talked about. I think the biggest thing that I love about the job is to, let me put it this way, that people fall in love with their home again. And that's what remodeling really offers, is the opportunity to change your house to where it fits your current needs or wants. That brings a lot of satisfaction, that people love their house again, and that space brings joy to them. And I would say just being able to work with a lot of different people in the process is satisfying. That be our interior designer, the homeowner, of course, and all our trade partners, our subcontractors, just everyone that's involved in the process that's what I love about it. Makes the day go by very fast.